In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using Chrome. If you're looking to stream games directly from your browser, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on YouTube TV using Chrome, start by opening the browser and heading to tv.youtube.com. Log in to your YouTube TV account, or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Click on the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can use Chrome's full screen mode for a better viewing experience and adjust the video quality under the player settings. Additionally, you can set reminders or record games using the Cloud DVR feature directly from the website. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV using Chrome, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.